let us discuss the significance of POS systems to retailers. If you operate or manage a retail business, you understand the importance of having a reliable point of sale system. A POS system not only helps you to handle transactions swiftly and effectively, but it also gives vital insights into the sales data for your organization. That's why hearing that QuickBooks point of sale is being phased out has always been disheartening. But don't fear, Shopify POS has come to take its place. Here are a few reasons why you should switch to Shopify POS. A smooth transition. When QuickBooks POS announced that it would be ending its service, one of the main worries was how difficult the transition would be for current clients. Shopify, thankfully, has made the switch as easy as possible. Many QuickBooks point-of-sale users have commented that the transition was simple and pleasant. Furthermore, with Shopify's 24/7 support staff on hand to answer any questions or issues, you can be confident that you'll be up and running on Shopify POS in no time. Click the link below to speak with a specialist about if switching is the best option for you. Insights and analytics. Another significant selling point for Shopify point of sale is the insights and analytics it offers into your company's sales data. You'll be able to watch your inventory levels in real time, discover which goods are selling well and which aren't, and gain a better knowledge of your customers' purchasing patterns when you use Shopify POS. This useful information may assist you in making better educated company decisions, which can lead to improved sales and profitability. Make the change right now. If you're still using QuickBooks POS, it's time to upgrade to Shopify POS. Shopify Point of Sale is the logical choice for retail enterprises of all sizes due to its simple interface, rich insights and analytics, and world-class support team. So what are you looking forward to? Make the change right now. To speak with an expert one-on-one, please click the link below.